Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Dheeraj and in this video I'm gonna tell you we're gonna learn how to pronounce the consonants of English, especially American English in the right way so that we can learn them and we can learn different type of words how to pronounce them correctly. Let's just jump right in. So chair sound, we learn the chair sound with the help of H, chair sound, as well as we learned H, H, like in hand or hat or happy. So in this way we learn two consonants with the help of only single letter H. Okay, so first consonant here is B. So first of all, I'm going to tell you that letters are 26 and alphabet is only one in English. It is said that alphabet, not only it is said, but it is that letter are 26, but the alphabet is only one. So keep it in your mind. So let's start. Okay, so alphabet letters, first letter is A. So A, I can tell you with the A that with the A letter it can be pronounced as in this way A. This is the sound of diphthong. This is called diphthong, but this is not the consonant, guys. This is only the A. This sound is diphthong and this A is vowel. So this is a diphthong sound, basically A sound. So we are going to learn it in when I'm going to tell you how to pronounce the 26 letters of English properly and in correct way. Then we are going to learn the diphthongs and vowels. So first of all, I'm going to tell you the consonant. So let's start with the B. So B is the consonant. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to rub this because this is not the consonant. This is just the diphthong. So first consonant is B. So B, you just need to bring the lips together and touch together and release it quickly. B, in this way. B, 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 B sound. This is the consonant sound. B sound. B. This is the consonant. Okay. Now the next consonant is with the help of letters. That is, we are done with A, B, and now it comes C. So C, I'm going to write here. C is also we can't learn any consonant with the help of C. We cannot learn because C is just letter C. And it gives the this sound of E, this vowel sound. This is the vowel sound. This is in C letter. So this also doesn't give anything consonant sound. So let's move to the next letter of English. That is D. So D is actually a consonant. So now we are coming to the D. D is a consonant. Our second consonant is D. For the example of the first consonant B, you can understand it with the help of bat, like bat. Bat, like we play with bat and ball, so it is bat. Now the D, second consonant is D. D we can understand with it as dark. Dark, we can understand dark. D. It is the D sound. D. D. Now the next letter is E. So E, we don't have any consonant with the E. E itself is a vowel sound in American English. Even in British English as well, it is the vowel sound. So E, we cannot learn any consonant from this E letter or E sound. let's move to the next sound, that is F. F is this. So F can be written as, sorry about that, it is not working. Let's see. Yes. F. F is, in this way we can write F, A sound and sound. It is the sound F. So to produce this sound, F sound, like in fan or father, fan. So fan, you can understand it with the help of you need to bring the lips and your upper teeth together and create this sound. The upper teeth and the bottom lip will touch together in this way, and we need to produce the airflow from the mouth, and this sound will be produced. Sound, very subtle sound but very important as well. Fan, you can understand in this way. So now the next letter is G. After F comes G. G sound is this, J and E, G. So in this sound you can understand we have two things. This is J, this is the consonant. So with the help of G letter, G, grapes like grapes, we can learn this J sound, which is a consonant. So J, J, like in gentle, you can understand in this way, gentle. Now let's learn the G sound. This is with the G sound, like we say G in the letter way. This is the G sound, but it is said as G in the consonant way of English, IPA in the English. G. G means like get. Get can be the easy word to understand this consonant sound. Get. So video is getting long, so I'm gonna quickly wrap it up with the next letter, H. And the next letter is H. So H is written as in this way, A and Ch sound. So A, this is diphthong this is, and this is the Ch sound itself is a consonant. This is consonant. So Ch sound, we learn the Ch sound with the help of H, Ch sound, as well as we learned H, H, like in hand or hat or happy. So in this way we learn two consonants with the help of only single letter H. So it is Ch sound we learn from H, as well as H sound, H sound. So let's write this as well. H sound. H like happy or hat. Sorry for my writing, it's not too good, so I think you will understand. So Ch sound, we understood this Ch sound as well here. So Ch sound we can understand it with the like chapter or chain, chance in this way. Just write it as chance, chain. So quickly I'm gonna go over you this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 consonants I told you today. there are 24 consonants. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you the other consonants with the help of the letters itself, so that you can understand them easily. So let's revise them quickly, repeat them quickly. B, bat, D, dart, F, fan, J, gentle, G, get, Ch, chance or chain, H, happy or hat. These are the 7 consonants actually. So we learned today, and I hope you found them interesting and knowledgeable. And if so, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep watching more upcoming videos like this and much more. And have a happy learning. Take care and bye for now.